Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bag and the one I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it and so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what a day it was for the king of dancehall, Beenie Man. You see, after he proposed to his longtime girlfriend Camille, after finding love for after 23 years, his daughter came out exposing him and Krystal wicked. Yes, she's claiming that Beenie Man slept with Krystal's mom before, piping her down. You see me, I say, and I breed her up, you see it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. She did all the exposing under that post Beenie Man posted on his page proposing to his girlfriend. And we're not talking about Desha or the normal children of Beenie Man. This one is quite new to me. Her name is Ashani on Instagram. This is what I say. These are all of the comments under the post. I'm not gonna read them out here because it's a whole lot. You feel what I mean? But you know what I mean? She's saying, Beenie Man asleep with Krystal mother. She's the only daughter that don't ask nothing from Beenie Man. And this relationship is nothing but a publicity stunt. So let's hear what Beenie Man has to say and then we'll proceed.
You see that? It's a beautiful thing. Life is a beautiful thing. And if you love a woman and don't put a ring on it, that means it never make no sense. You see? Alright, good. So, yeah. I put a ring on her, not on it. She's not a it. She's a her.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Them said the doctor look sick enough people. Putting in the comment section what you think about that. Because the people that might deal with Beenie Man wickedly, I thought most people would be happy for him. And being that they wanted him to settle down and things. But they're saying that, he likes his friends' leftovers. You see me, I say. And the next thing with Beenie Man, it seems that, Camille might be causing trouble in the camp because he is disassociating himself from his brother Blue and letting the world know that he's no longer a part of MD Entertainment and for all of his bookings to go through his new management cigar type people. I think the name is
My manager is called Sean Baptiste. If you're not booking through Cigar Records, then you're not booking me. And if you're not doing the music through that, you're not doing nothing. Zane. So promoters have been calling me and telling me that, yeah, them book through and book and book and book and book. You're wrong, dog. Because you did know that I changed management. So don't tell me that you're going to take me to court because Ray, boom, bam, boom, bam, blah, blah, blah. That's not my fault. Trust me. And yeah, I'm just saying that the management is Cigar Records. And if you're not booking through Cigar Records, you're not booking Beenie Man. Blessings? That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I just engaged to my woman and it's good. And it's a nice thing. Life is good and everything is alright. And everything is life. And everything is good. So, I'm just saying. If you're not doing that, you're doing the wrong thing. And if you're booking through MD Entertainment, you're doing the wrong thing. MD Entertainment don't book show for me anymore. Cigar Records book show for me. So if you call your own, you have a show. If you call Amory, you have a show. And if you call Cigar himself, you have a show. So it's no longer MD Entertainment. Which MD means Moses Davis, but yeah. I guess my ex-management didn't know that. That's what it means. But people, I am not an artist of MD Entertainment anymore. Yes, kind of stupid. That don't make no sense. It shouldn't reach here, but we're here where we at. And yeah, I don't make no negativity. I don't make no disrespect. I just want people to know that if you're sending your money to entertainment, you're sending your money to the wrong place. And it's not my fault if you're sending your money to the wrong place. So it's been a long time before the summer. And it's a new year now. So that means long time before the summer. I've been under Cigar Entertainment for like 8 months now. People, the management is Cigar Entertainment. Find it. Pick it up. Work it out. Zaga.
Well, people, you can definitely tell that Punani is causing the rift in the business. You see me, I say, because boy, oh boy, a long time blue and MD and entertainment, I do the work for Beenie Man. You see me, I say, well, you don't know the thing said. Camille is a businesswoman and she got to ask questions and inquire things from her man. And it don't look like Blue can manage the program no more, and it look like some, money mishandling a guan. You see me, I say, John know people, cause boy, anyway, man, I don't want to say too much, because trust me, I am just a messenger. Don't crucify me. But anyway, let's go on to the next topic. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to stop and read the screenshots on the screens, at least the last 3 ones, because it kind of goes against everything Beenie Man was saying, pertaining to MD Entertainment. Yeah. Now, Dancer selected for the hype, seemingly comments on Beenie Man's video that you just seen, saying, it being in the year just that, me never ready. You see me, I say, yo, 2024 start aggressive, you say, you see it. Put that in the comment section if you agree with him or not, because he also made a post saying that he is the, #1 hated in Jamaica. And this is all based off of a TikTok video somebody named made with, with Shabada, L.A. Lewis, P.J. Patterson, Portia Simpson, Renata Adams, and things, and Footer Hype. You know what I mean? Don't forget Bro God. But put in the comment section if you agree with this video, because it seems some persons are missing like Andre Stevens, because Miss Sway said it would have been #1 based off, what transpired, the last couple years. You see me, I say, but maybe they confused him with Shabada. I don't know, people. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, in other trending news that I see going around, Bob Marley's daughter, Cedella Marley, has quit her ambassadorship for the reggae girls in Jamaica because of the JFF, the Jamaica Football Federation. You see me, I say, Marley expressed her disappointment with the growing concern with the turn things have taken in recent months. You see it. As you know, the girls them have been complaining about monetary funds, not being dispersed to them not being paid accurately. Them have to go up on social media and, be humiliated because them can't afford to bring their luggage to go through overstate to, compete and all of these things. You see me, I say, and this is why, Usain Bolt and other people calls out the government, even though they can't, be, how should I say, they can't interfere with the process because, the FIFA people don't allow it. But you don't know the things said, people. Everybody have them in the purse. You see me, I say, because when big money involved in Jamaica, the elites is getting their cut. You feel what I mean? So, this is why when people in Jamaica, leave Jamaica to go play for other countries, you can't be mad at them because they're getting paid for their talent. You see me, I said, them want to pay the people them in Jamaica banana chips and all of these things, while people in America getting billions and millions. You know what I mean? And even when them people in Jamaica get the billions, them now make the money trickle down. But anyway, I'm not going to go this longer. Just to give you a quick update while I go on for that to go on. Don't forget to put in the comment section where you think about that. And like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.